Bi won kontaan da baake na Facebook ko nata la bi kontaan da baake TikTok bi na Facebook ko nata la bi mbo kontaan di baake bi na Facebook ko nata la bi jaw la fele ka ndai kata to fele da ay kan daw ne kara on ka kata ko fele mbaru na matino ndaba sumu dinne ngam matino mba sumu da ma jamba ñaari ñaan alkana njalos wayi alkana njalos TikTok alkana njalos ngo nga ala fo yudi pinde ndir nani non ba ko kan te wani mbadi ma Facebook live la way alkana ko seri ala baraka bade man ñu ma ko kan ma Facebook live le come on job dollar so pare nga wef ma tuuti so pare nga wef ma job wef ma tuuti so pare nga duga si wef bi ngeen wef ma job joba juba diba mfama bare muso sena bo nga diba jaw yawa saw yang me jahal teru ma la won ani bule ya fo kuma kango ninke baro hadinja yo duma la faale yow who can wave me this guy Kamara Ibrahima, you definitely need to with me. Billahi letale. Mbadu mbabe tentula altola anal. Kontongol ntanam Dr. Baba Jah aka Sirin Chapatol na Facebook ya hijack le no do sun karoboda. Mbuga dunno na Facebook live. Nga Facebook message le. Nga message obeki ngoko musifa bele ke bara alhamdulillah bili na Facebook na tamurun nane bimbo overla content din na fa manta ta hanola. Bimbo overla content din ne. Binna diamo bebi ta munka wona ni wave problem mu yala ba kere. Ni wave problem mo killing fallom bale killing kulom bale killing mu yala na fantang din killing. Kambano dolo mu yalo ke ka fay ko alu manjang lati pour gambien ko ali na moni hakilo akan na moni soddo mola bar da nimbita ngal wonde nabbu lako bouton o ba acte frene sa compte ma to tiktok ko lafta ali la moni hakilo la Baba Jah ba diya mola nabbu lako bouton o ba acte frene non sen so jang hani gis nga fi man ken ma fi de kudal ñim Facebook kudal ñim tiktok kudal ma fi de kudal man ken rek ma fi de kudal na diya tane ñe bulok tane wuli tane yela and I don't have nothing to lose by blocking people ngalo no bimbina kuma ko mum fala ata kuyala ata diala modole barin ko janna bi da Facebook albalula alban nen nante Baba Jah at least ali pare way janna bi da alban nen internet at least ali pare way janna bi da alka Baba Jah le ne alka ne at least ali pare lo pare ni nya baraka da alka ko mo kuma alba ciwi allaji alban ne ko mo zuwa at least albu ke pare ndekiri ci pator bu mu banne na say tayi pare at least ka mo don bi jebi la wala talle na sama da 5 kilo wala gina sete da bu ko do la rab fa di gena bu ka o ta la zam alla mu ñaka kilo la yaade so ñi kam ma ta fayi lamin eske manja bara firinto mu yalon fan na fantango ako with with ye mon leta do wef la batarola wef ko ilafta mon la mom ya lonko amari ngamari english moy aning suru akam wala kita problem on this just because we are wef wala fe ko saying itol ke la si le kele itol kam mandin ka yale kele so mandin ko le wul pour wef ta wef delete ye wef boycott obu ko tol gambian ko ni falo yebu France. Who the fuck are you prokafo ntol nyanta ka wave ta ka nyaka se wave la ka ko wave ko ka surwale ta ya gele ku kilim bi dem nyala andi mi wala why surwa why because wave ko il after wala mom yala ka English for ani surwa ka muna tin na sign imava muna ni imava ko nga wave ta nga wave boycott because of wave ko ka English le English language imava for that imavo nga wave boycott because of wave ka English wave ko ilafta mo la mom yara aka English fo anin anin suru aka imov English sama boycott so why suru why kam ko amatan hakilola kam ko amatan hakilola alkala son problem atole to ka fentige foka pare fana ñin lam ñin alu manjang birim data la Facebook ko ngata la UDP ka ba nan man la alta aljala post yube ba ala post ni UDP ka kensen I will taking ji UDP ni nim ata 95% of I will tak alta ya jube ba abe UDP ko la wala kilin tak ja andu fana mun fanga yenke na demi ila nyin so called UDP ka Facebook journalism wala fana data yin ya alum manjan nyinda ya keda Facebook ila journalist Facebook ajubele nim alumanje kumo mun fateng ila ni UDP journalist don fangal ba siatu jang ntele nga fo ya nte man sila man daw maka man selin ta patale daw maka man daw maka ta mun na dafa dum saf ila UDP journalist mun don ba siatu jang wala fa na de nin kata ya busele Facebook ko bala alumanje ko e man nin ka kelo la e ko man nin ha man nin ko to nya dafa don nya ka wulile badi mun man nin ka kelo le bi jang jamalan ni man ko la kelo la anin jamal ba kelo la jang kam jang ko la ngata hakilo la hey mba science ten ba fen don tala ngata dal ja adia jube QTV ko e ko ilafta mo le mom yara aka English fo news presenter ba English to fola anin anin man de ka kam mbo postan la jani fo fana mo kasila tibang ba de gambia non al ngata hakilo la gambia no Allah mo ni alimba mo posta ngata sansa fete QTV fete QTV lo nyindi because you have to be influent in English and in Mandinka ani jibi QTV lo nyinfo bar nyimma ke kasitire QTV lo nyinfo aja yon ala jibe QTV la bataro la de iko ilafta mo la momira aka news ke amari ba ke Mandinka kan wala anin Mandinka kan ni English bar wonde kasiti so wefta ke kasiti muna na biri wef ko lafta wala mom yalla ngo aka mandin ko mom yalla aka English dafa ani surwa why they pick surwa muna ni ma English attack because English la official language wana kala al ngata hakilo la ni ya jele mandin ko komodo ka sutia nongola la bardabu kafo mbade wef mu company de ning altada ay wis alfa alita fo wef ndeta fo wef ko dun da wef ko no jateng ni dun da wef ko wef la stafford fon billahi wala tallahi Ngo, we have constant special dulala bi Stafford kasida ni mantra hani mantra busy ni katrasteri way. We have Stafford ketra siri intenne ye belbula ila boss ni siri jawul le kambana keje pour Stafford si relax. Ma jiare le jube kan kono jiare ko almost 100 million we have ye mundu we have ye munjo taxo da mad. Asiata million kemedi we have munjo ako andum fanang yalong taxo fanang jonale bana bari weflon company foloti mu yalong ko ila taxo ni ika jo on time le ibuke bar fatay mo fonsi taxo ni anyanda ka jol before match jar ele director wala ba jamu kadde ako wefi ele taxo tal ya jo before match jarti jar ele director wala lota ka wef tento special thanks to wef bari fentali jo ko no modol bi fenke nyin namin nyin alumanja ni mesi fente juo kono mo sete la ko mo control kata wef diliti ba mina fenne be bulu ba ala bula ko ko si fatam fal so dum di jeng bading ala bula ko ko si fan problem o dum di it's not helping we have issue for everybody ni dara ngo we have customer service ni ko ni ma fula ka mo to ma be ba surwa ka mo so esa surwa je ndama we have call le birim banu Gambia private number wala bambu birim we have call private number we have private number you know ngo na dem na man ko la an va man ko tanga so tumando ngo hani jamfam nje ikata appointment non ikenyi nka fo ila fa translator le ni ko ha ika translator da hani Gambia translator ila ftaba jang iba Gambia translator tale ba so le hani taka court ko ka translator dila. So why you guys are picking only one person? Badi. No alu manjang fango. Yena aja fango ala post fango ni tata je. Bari alhamdulillah nga kambano doje nying alu manjang na posto. Amari ko ako atamu manding call ja andum fana sansa na badaka wave call ani wave diam tani mandika kamal. Wadakata manda wave delete la. Hey, nade da alkana wave boycott de. Ala de al apo bel delete. Hana la apo bel delete. We will stay with wave. Nagita ala apo delete. We will stay with wave. Ala bula problem si fatam fasik. Wala nang kaliko ala hakilo ni UDP ngolto. Nyim banko dina nyim mola billah wala mo nula tala nga wura. Nyim banko nga. Mabin, hani America jamfang. Ika company tele ya fum bataro lela. Laftam wala mom ya ika English fo, mbada ka Spanish fo. So nika English ni Spanish fo. Wo fana ke ma ko ele. Katun company ni tumando isa seleno fenka dami yalo iba Spanish fo lele. Kambani dolong mu yalo ka botana Gambia. Kambano nyin nigro wa silo anata ni wala. Kambano nya Gambia no la aka English fo le, aka France fo and Spanish. Nyin sisa nyin kan sabo aka belf. English, Spanish, aka English fo aka Spanish aka French fo. Sansa da ala muna sansa da ali la do kala minton. Binana gaja. Abu do kala court household. Court household le kata different places. Court household wala kata Gambia no la bija. Siatu jam. Ndeni ma kende. Abu do kala because of kansaba I wala mo so wala na bi ni do ko dia. Hanya da ka wala nyama. Kasin teng. Why ku mu ya lonko why the word English woman come funny but the word wolof wala ya come funny nga na fi do bu kesse di mu doli je kata ka comment je ha yeto nyale fo iban tolle kele kan we are fighting for our culture, we are fighting for our right and need man ba fight la and need ba ani jumale mo fight leja kan ndama ni jumale mo fight leja ani yo ke loreja ani hanu mo kilema ta ke loreja ha ani mo mata ke loreja wana it is always important pour aller hakilut ya jele ni nan ka fa ko ni banko do UDP ko la kele masibo bati nyim banko nga ya jele ani mbata ba ya South Africa jele birin tubabul appetite wato banta birin appetite banta tubabul jitale tubabul beli bay do ko ñin tubab do ko day beli bay mo fi ngon nata ya birin mo fi ngon nata ye masakunda ta ye appetite masakunda ta mo fi ngon nata ye South Africa ta mo fi ngon South Africa be tinya wodo hani bi South Africa man kelo South Africa South Africa le fe ngo fe South Africa ka ko wato mo fi ngon South Africa ta ata mo fi ngon ba kafarin ye South Africa ta ya bedu du ñoko biya jibe bi South Africa bi fongo barkata anta la jibe tubabul le tam South Africa fongo barkata South Africa tubabul le tam ya de ni UDP si da jam UDP ba kam fari nyami ñu ba aggressively nyami hey billahi ni UDP si da jam iba banko bele fucked up la alba ko makam mo la tulo ko la alba si la fongo alba fara ninga lonno anta ni aluma janju ba la jibe UDP ko dum alba hani al nim post ala jibe adama baroka Ousseynou Bojang attack dana aya tala aya post nin al pareda alta al yala post jube hani former police PRO wala problème aya bele sa fem téléphone ta fa la Facebook ko kanyum ko be kiskis ngaje fengo mu ya lonko adama parola masakunda iba kan abi oga abi ta alta la Facebook ko ta ala be klinkele comme en tant que militaire ni ma fan yala ka alta al ya jube badi hey sani manja ko dum fana wulta manja ko ha wef alba jola le taka alon tol manja ko ta badi how did it work? Ninta wul dango ha namu so mu jolalati ha so muna la wefa alba fulol tala alman jolanta kabun defana ni telefona alye ngala jolata yamara wef ning iba subhanahu la ba so muna it is always important pour haklu ko dol to mbadi anga haklu ko dol da alkana wuli just because of ni nonsense tribalism problem mo tribalism jube na wuli ta woda akabudula one side rek ni tribalism 99% of all this tribalism problem on altalia jube one side rek akabu to Gambia fam ne hey nta mo fuloleti mbama ni mfama e manden siola bara jube fula kam fam mbuka moy baki ngam mo mandika kawnto mbama fula kawnto nda mo mandika kawnto mbama fula kawnto ando mo fula dum ti bade mandika barandum wonde bambulu ne mandin ko ma yanta male kato mandin ka bare ndum wala bam naburo do so mu nya fulo dum wal date mandin ko le futu bar fo kasi wati bang ba din Gambia no anga tani hakilo la about si fatam fancho ka ban ko li tani mbadin 99% of the problem abem UDP the war if you disagree with me wo mu lamburo ne botal bani nte ba fla ko nan parce que banko ka abe mu UDP nyimbo yo link tamin dole taya la poste jube nte baba jan tele ma fu wanan kal ko nale banko di UDP la billahi wala nga kale ala nal tawda fu UDP ci da ñu ba aggressif ri ñami UDP ba kam far dem nal fa le banko da ngale America le mu ngi daja ngale Donald Trump ja brin Donald Trump se because kam fata banko ben fucked up wala ba ay banko be fucked up na bi no hani ay Gambia fam affecté UDP ay banko fucked up hana Gambia fam affecté so wala it is always important alian nyal jale atul Gambia no alian nyal bake alian nyal bake jene abaka fidal alian di ñimon ñena gala South Africa dube birin tubabul botaje ye banko ta birin tubabul dum botaje ñing kam faring mo fi ngol nata banko be fucked up bire banko be fucked up mu nekata bi South Africa la everything be jamal le tamu bi tubabul le tam tubabul o everything South Africa ila access be le wafo corruption no ta ban South Africa South African body so it is always important mom yala ba kamfari e kana banko di yala al kana banko di mole mom yalo ga ba kamfari body mom yalo ko boy everyday problem open problem close ñin nonsense so be alta ya jube ba abe tata nada be ama bi nin ata ala Facebook ja alla e akadenki min dol UDP ali mo jide dim problem sifa alta ye jube ba aba linki min dol UDP fata mo wala ba jiba ko kamba alta mo te jiba ko kan but all this problem yala anada be ka to dama ngoleti hey we have ko tol ba tarole la Ajube da me Iceland. I think jam nga posta fa Nathan down. Where's the post? We have la post pen. We have la post aliaja. Recruiting aliaja ajube. Yaja. English and Wolof. Yaja. Sa fele jam. We have jube. And we have jube mungede. You got English and Wolof. Ala jube. English and Wolof ya Wolof ya ala jube. So say munen kasiti ni ko English. So say so munen alma English attack. Alma English attack de. After English attack la, brava Wolof la attack la. Ka fa mo le ha nkana culture protect ha alma wuli ya fa mo le te ya fa mo ya. Momo nyamate mama wuli ni nyimban kunkan. Billahi wala momo nyamate ko bamba mama tala ya wuli ni nyimban kunkan. Mbadu makula le kan. Iba billahi wala iba billah. Hey. Ya jele nyimma hakilo. Hey, ndo ma misilmi nga Rwanda side. Yaja mun kata Rwanda alma ale be tan kala Gambia. Anu fara na problème ba wula munu ba wulindi la Gambia ala yo tande mo la jang. Problème mun kata Rwanda kali South Africa nkali jana atondi ngali Somalia jale. Ni sidi fasi problème, ni sidi fatam fasi problème ba Somalia hanebi. Somalia koyol ani Somalia fingol. E ko Somalia fingol wonna tale o ma be Somalia kiri wo problème wala bi ka fa wala Somalia bantu. Nous sommes allés au fond, car les Somalis bantou. Au problème, on va Somalia, Hanibi. Au problème, on va Somalia. Almetani Hakilola. Almetani Hakilola, comment on n'y va s'affaire. Ça compte pas, il faut que tu docteur. Il faut que 40 ans. Il faut que 40 ans. Il m'a fait ne soit mouillé à l'oké bafala. Fait kataha. As a doctor. Il y a des dunia comme bini, soko le carnal bimbani. Nous le baye yata katambi mobile. Il faut que tu 40 fois de docteur Beboul. C'est insult pour Gambia Goli. Moi, il est comme des docteurs. C'est un insult pour moi, il est comme des docteurs. Quand il est comme docteur, il est at least mardi. Il est le London, il y a que c'est Baba Yati. Il est le Dunia Faham Baba Yati, il est 40 ans. Pas de problème au bêta, anata alia du bema. A bien mouton mo qui nous dit. Fais moi faire la badia face à Anga Wulingo. Nadia Tania, lui fait delete. Nala lui fait delete. Docteur Ben, on doit savoir le pouce. Nala lui fait delete. On doit savoir le pouce. Muna bouquet les balbou. Kataka foko ha yeto nyale fo ndebe delete nale ndebe boy ko dal nali ala poste jube ide réussite dans mon jela jela ata ala poste jube ba nyin aluke nyin alu eske manja ide réussite dans mon jela ani o réussite jamo very disgusting ni ba jam la mumu yamre balni fal wala tamu gambiati ha ndollo din ansaro ndollo fenko ndol hey nin ko jam ba ñoo continue ja gambia yi momo je be mu nalalti ni ba man nay fa natale mama natan baye mu natale Gambia wota alin kana fo mbasila jamba nyo chokosila ala bulaka wondi siolo kadafi ala bulaka molo kadafi ninta ni te problème so ita ninta non problème so but it have nothing to do with the sion ninta baba ja ninta ni te problème so ni ton problème so but ni la sion problème so ninta ni te problème so ni ton problème so bari la sion na ma so yo Nyindoko, get out. Let me call Mr. Fall for you. My block button is active. Let me just block you so that next time you will not come here try to insult me. But we block. Yeah, I do. Block button will have. Thank you. I block you and move on. Let me tell you, my block button is active. Any negative comment here, I will block you right away. If you don't believe me, post a negative comment. Any negative comment today, I'm going to block you. I don't take nonsense from nobody. And I don't have nothing to lose by blocking. Let me tell you. About we have a problem. Anybody who put a comment here that it's not wave, I'm going to block you. I say it. If you put any comment here that is not about wave, I'm going to block you. If you don't believe me, I tell you. Any comment, moment comment it's not about wave near block. And I don't have nothing to lose by blocking you. Hey, TikTok I have almost for 700 number for 500 back. On TikTok. Because when I block, I cannot TikTok. I'm not TikTok for the I block TikTok. I'm very good in blocking and I don't have nothing to lose by blocking idiots. I don't have nothing to lose. This is what I'm talking about. You listen to me or else you put any comment here that is you we are longer. It's not about wave me block like because man laf moyenta ayeng man laf han moy interrupt when I'm talking. I am the boss here. I am the CEO of this page. I do what the fuck I want, not what you want. So you fuck with me. If you don't want to watch my video, it's fine. Go and watch other videos. It's fine with me. I don't have nothing to lose by blocking idiots like some of you. I have nothing to lose. Some of you are a bunch of idiots. I don't take nonsense from nobody's space at Facebook. Belong. Now almost 1 month man na Facebook live. Don't find that. But I'm na bulok budong ba active mo fen comedy manya kamun comedy ja. Nye bulok. Definitely. No, I'm very upset with that. I'm very upset because you know some of these people are not civil. You know why I will never insult, bro. You you like blocking, and I don't want to be blocked. Then why don't you just behave? Why don't you just behave? Thank you. Exactly. Don't insult on my page. This is my page. Yeah, I'm very glad you said that. I don't take nonsense from nobody. I'm very good in blocking. I am the best blocker throughout the whole country. The moment the Baba Jano blocker Gambia Bay, I am the best blocker, and I don't have nothing to lose by blocking people. Because you know, I create content. People watch me is because of I'm creating something. People want to learn because of I have something to say. Okay, so if you want to listen, no problem. You know, you see, in this world there is one thing that I always do. If I don't like you, if I don't like your content, I will block you. I swear to Allah, there are some people I don't like their content. Just because I don't like your content, I block them. They don't do nothing to me just because I don't like your content. Hey, I'm not fake. If I don't like your content, me block. I saw somebody, that person was insulting me last time in Gambia, entire semester. I'm on Facebook. I ain't moya ta screen record a Kenyan. But I'm already with the billah wala nena mari manyo sama. I don't even say nothing to her. But muneketa at the end of the because of Mune, Malafala content and I block. So I just go Babaja and block, and now she's upset. Musola Nanafano. Who give a fuck if you block me? Who cares? It's my page. I have the right to block and I have the right to hire and fire. I am the CEO of my life. I can hire and fire. If I don't like your content, they block me. There are some people there on my Facebook. Just because of I don't like their content, I delete them. I delete them now. I don't see their posts. Some of them I block them. This is what I want people to understand. Life is very sweet. If you, if you know how this life works, life is very sweet. Don't let nobody stress you out. Don't let nobody fuck you up. If you don't like the person, block them. That is what I do. If I don't like you, I'm going to block you and move on, buddy. That's what I do, buddy. I can't show you stress. So if you don't like Baba Ja, stop wasting your time. Can Baba Ja you be? I'll block you, move on. That's what I do. If I don't like you, I will block you. And I don't have nothing to lose. Okay? I block people that you know I don't like their content. If I don't like you, I will block you and I will move on. So life is very simple with me. Score. Baba Ja, you are scoring the political point of discussion with instead of who killed. Okay, thank you, but I think the folk of Lesai. I don't take nonsense. I see where you're coming from. So I need to pass. Then Ibaja the next time. What I say, I always do what I say. Nimko kana comment about something else, you do it nke block le. Sa fele nga mari block ngala mari somebody baja na TikTok. Somebody baja na TikTok because you block be kada. I agree with you, my brother. People may think what you say is nonsense, but I really it is very beneficial. Keep up the great work. Thank you very much. If people against me, some people are with me. That's how it is. That's how it is. So when then let the more than person to understand. Wave man animal discriminate. Wave man animal discriminate. Don't left a wave see fanela. Mommy wave kamananja. Don't left a din see fala Gambia. Man left dimon la munubuka alumanjang. Alafa alumanja ye. Baba Jako iban yifa. Wave musomi yala ay wave kamananja. Wale barakata iban yifati. Katu musomi wave kamananja. Woba. Anafa yiduate dimole idumo fele etata a company kamana company muyala aka almost 100 million aka wala deduction to Gambia. Ndol lafto din sifa ndol man lafi dimole dimol muniyala buka ite alu manjang ite din sifa. We don't want those kind of ndona lefa Gambia din sifa. Ndona lefa Gambia din wonde le mun yale barakata fay kututay musun duma tata karanda fay londo so da wefta aya kam manan Gambia a wefta kam manan Gambia ite ba fenne soto famu yale ba fan QTV ko news presenter bole nyini kan mu yala aka English ko ani mandi ka wonta problem ti karaga English mandi ka wonta problem bar wef ko e lafta mo la momu ya lonko dokula mu ya lonko aka surwale fo ani English ko kada problem why English man problem English man problem bari surwata sa wala problem al lafta ka banko ta ka dundi problem ko nyim bankunka al nafike buto kesse dingol al mo nafa hani fenna nyim bankunka nama je problem nama ge problem anta al yadu ntela ngafo UDP ko na ya la post jubi ala post abeta abeka adam baron ta pour attaque adam ni UDP problem wala badi al nga nyim si fatam fast problem bula if you don't want ajibede mon ya long ibasirin ala post ka sa ha wef de boycott wef ni ne al dal ya jiba hani wef account de fawtebul muna wef lebebul muna wef lebebul ba news ndeyam amuñ ko salam ndeyam lañ amul ci biir réew mi tekki wuñu dara ci biir dëkk bi fi dara lañ tekki wut ku am rek ñu sos la lan la fi wef def at least you well educated mbadi wef kam bana jambi mbadi hey ya jele nañu ta Gambia most of the time I use wave it's nice without blood do moro kede at the end of the mbay angi amwe fatiajo billahi wala yubede ko nañu ta Gambia ngalla fajal push tu abasada dana wave babulu akala push bal pour bon ba do nit la say hani sada dana sa wave debul bi ba isan so sanne ka wave ta hani isan so bi taxi lo wo do moro da bi ta dawo da bi ita dawo da hani jo lalu muni yalo ke ibani sikando la wulo ko hani bani sikando wef katede bulle ni na ka ni dola nya ni so sang ya fa na wef ye wef sali ko di kayra badin I think kambana mu yalo ga sabon ko sambano nyato I bring stuff you know but at the end of the day albasiri ngena alma mol nafa hani fennel nam nga ñi fatal fa ci problème wala nan ka ne ko nga UDP ka dole UDP ko ñu ko ha loya Ousainou Darboe ako ha loya Ousainou nin kila ba balurin nin kila nyon la time loya Ousainou Darboe ba to kala alqur'ano kono le kila ha katongo loya Darboe ay bata mu yala a werto Gambie nin kila nyon la time long loya Darboe to ba kala alqur'ano kono ala fa mari baba yako ngafo yeko nin kila la time long ha Firauna to ba alqur'ano kono Iblisa to ba alqur'ano kono kodi ngo Firauna bije Iblisa bije Satan bije kodi woto kono Ousainou Darboe to ba kala woto kato fitino ba dawda Ousainou Darboe to ka wonto banko ka ajubede ñin ñu Ousainou bo jala problème mo na man diamu jeba alam hajila bije ñu Ousainou bo jala problème alam hajila bije wota ata UDP kon mun yala alka foko nin kila la time la Ousainou Darboe to ba tara alqur'ano kono le wota Gambia la time ndala nga faali ya jale nin kila la time la Firauna to ba dami Firauna to ba alqur'ano kono dami ha Iblisa to ba alqur'ano kono dami Satan to ba alqur'ano kono dami loya Darboe fanan to ba tara wol wota alkana foko because of Firauna to ba because of kila Abubakar no to ba dami Abubakar Siddiq Yahya no to ba dami Bilal no to ba da Ousainou Darboe to ta jele alqur'ano ko yalla Ousainou Darboe to ba di agala Ousainou Darboe to alba jele min don Firauna to ba dami alqur'ano ko nta baba jantelam dama deka ben wa UDP mu nge wax so dem pare ngeen record li ngeen duga ko capatole mo nek di wax ben wa UDP moko wax mu ne waaw loya Darboe dafa liggéeyal Gambia mu ne loya Darboe dafa liggéeyal Gambia because of loya Darboe dafa liggéeyal Gambia léegi loolu motax su nekké time ñom yonanti la Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam mu ne su fekke time ñom Muhammad la mu ne turi loya Darboe dafa wara nekka ci bir alquran bi parce que dafa liggéeyal diine bi wax leen ko ne wax leen kooku de Baba Jah mu ne fekka turi Firauna mu ngi ci biir alquran turi seytaane mu ngi ci biir alquran ambassadeur bi turam léegi nag foofu la turi loya Darboe di nekk ci biir alquran bi su fekkee tamit ñu Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam wax leen ne man ma ne su fekkee waa UDP yéen a am sañ-sañ di taxaw ne waaw loya Darboe su fekkee tamit ñoom prophète Muhammad la turi loya Darboe war naa nekk ci alquran wax nañ dëgg de fekka turi Firauna mu ngi ci biir alquran turi Iblisa mu ngi fa turi seytaane mu ngi fa kon loolu du problème kon turi lawyer Darboe su nekkee si biir alquran bi kon loolu du nekk benn problème kon lawyer Darboe turam foofu la war a nekk ndelaaf ha wala mu la kay rotit ha ne man la fi ngay block iba makule mbata ngay block ina nan TikTok ni na TikTok fanan yela buku mo sa ngay block TikTok fanan ana dafa no din tolos madi kadu lawyer Darboe jube problème banko la problème ba dawo de kan lawyer Ousainou Darboe tojo wala to ñepp Ousainou Darboe ñepp Ousainou bo jang fengo e elama hajala bije ni ala ko man fello ngi man fengo elama hajala bije banko la problème ba tax wota e kan ken ngo jawala to ko di kay sa ni jamala anni wef hey wef le barkata lawyer Ousainou Darboe tin dela ngaf mu ne wef ka wala barkata lawyer Ousainou Darboe alu mo lu dahandi ala fa alu manjaye baba jako ngafo ko wef le barkata lawyer Ousainou Darboe because ever UDP kelo la nsi fata fata kelo bring it on ala mo tara siri njade mali batuka ala mo tara siri njade lawyer Ousainou Darboe mu ne ke Gambia fe mo feng andi problème o dundi je fe mo feng you bring this fucking tribe hey ndela ngafo ko donc allo UDP ko ako ninki la time lo bi tanun lawyer Ousainou Darboe to batara alquran ko ala fa baba jako ngafo e ko ha ala baba jako ngafo e ko nin kila la time lo donc ko kila la time frauna to ba alquran ko nadal al frauna to jelal iblisa to ba alquran ko seytani to ba alquran ko woto nin kila la time lo biti nin kila time lo frauna nyol to ba tarala tariko ko no dame iblisa to ba tarala tariko ko no dame seytani to ba tariko ko lawyer Ousainou Darboe to ba taralo mo ko ka to fitne mo no akada bule bako la fitino ko ne ko fitino ba da wo da ni banku kan alta de lawyer Ousainou Darboe fato fitike mbala UDP to fitike ñin si fatam falsi mo jube fam alta ya jo ñin si fatam falsi alta la je UDP ko no ay UDP ko le ta ay kilin tak 95% of amomul tak alta la jibe di bam UDP ko le fam la keta who is you go be positive and stop this travel talk. Who is talking this travel talking ibante labang for muye nimposke. I don't know, you know, I don't know even who you're referring to. It is always important, Baden. Let's bring the best out of Gambia. Hey, I love the Gambia. I'm a proud Gambian, Baden. I was born in that country. I learned how to talk in the Gambia. Gambian banko de dami yalong wuluta waleto. You know, I went to nursery in that school. You know, I learned how to walk. The time I was in the Gambia, I learned how, you know, I learned how to walk. I learned how to talk. My mother was carrying me like the Babaja, Babaja. That's, you know, that's where I learned how to talk. It all happened in that country. I went to nursery school in that country, Mbadi. I did my primary school in that country. You know, that's where I have my first girlfriend. That's where I was married, Mbadi. You know, so when it is always important, Mbadi, bring the best out of that country. And now, like a tribalism problem with a Kabi company, Mbadi. We are all one family, Mbadi. We are all one family, Mbadi. But all the time you bring in this tribal stuff, all the time tribal talk. Why? Why all this tribal bullshit, Mbadi? If we say they need somebody who can speak English and Wolof, why the problem is Wolof? Why not the English? Why Wolof? Why not the English? QTV are here, they say they are hiring. They need somebody who can speak English and Mandinka. But that's not the problem. You don't see no Jola complaining. Jolas are not complaining. Duty Fullers are complaining. Okay, I think you are ignorant, so let me focus you here. Maybe you don't know what we're talking about. Again, that's why it is always important for us to know what we are talking about. You know, Gambia, we are all one. You know, we are all one family. It makes me upset sometimes when I see all these idiots coming here. You know, talking about these bullshit tribes. But hey, if I have an issue with you, it's between me and you, but it has nothing to do with your tribe. If I have an issue with you, it's between me and you, but it has nothing to do with your religion. It has nothing to do with your religion. You know, but the moment you want a problem, what are you going to get from this? You're not getting nonsense from this. It's a fairness of knowledge. When I important the Puru, let's embrace each other, buddy. Let's embrace each other. Let's become one Gambia, one people. Banko nyindo yakele mbem family killing it. Why are you attacking all the tribes? Why? Why are you attacking all the tribes? Pardon. Alba nun sinsu tala alba kele alko moda fala ni modo lo nyinkeno. Tandu mi bejele internet on. Yena siole attack. Banki kan tenne ni mon sakunda kai Gambia kai iba julu kan tolle. Ibejele dawoda. Yelling like mad dogs. Screaming like mad dogs. But I feel like the man like Ali did not think about the Casadon. If you ever do moon, if I'm mutual, Nimmo and Yanko. Tandu ni beg 24 hours about Woody. Well, I'm not bring young Alumandana posting they attack me. I went over on Facebook. Not a Facebook you be, not a link should you be, not a more attack. Go you depend go don't have a sentence of the Porcanisi Gambia. You depend go wrong. Nobody is complaining, only the idols. I don't know why. Wait until 2026. You're talking about it. Nura 2026 will be now. The very human one of Koiko is very important. Ajala Hakilu. Yagel new majority. You need to be very careful with the minority. Because if you threaten the minority are going to use this. When the minority come together, I swear to God, it as a majority. Iba sisi le itamal. Iba sisi le itamal. Wana as a majority. Ike hakilu tu pakel minority tu. Bade. Ninda malo mo silandi kan kodi UDP la. Ninda malo mo silandi kan kabol kodi ni mo la. Well, it's always important as a majority. Ye hakilu tu kumo dolito. Bade iba wula lumolu nyinko masifa beka bo mahamintul one side UDP. Nyinko masifa beka bo one side UDP. Ikamara da mawole biya. Ikamara da mawole victimot. We are all victims. We are all victims of Yaya Jammeh. Yaya Jammeh Jongulaso. Yemi rade. Manja kolu muni yale wole la population o tada beata mo bit. Hani manja kolu fang ala mo fanal ko ne bijel. Fonde ala Jongulaso. Ala Jongulaso ala jo mandi ko bijel fulo bijel jola bijel manja ko fana bijel. Ala mi Jongulaso. So say mo bela kare Yaya la victim moti badi. Allah hakilotu in tribalism kola. Tribalism cannot even help nobody. Tribalism is not helping nobody. But at the end of the day, you talk about all this bullshit wave. If wave say we want Wolof and English, why do you attack the Wolof? What about the English? So the English is not the problem there, but the Wolof is the problem. So English is not the problem now. Now why are you attacking the Wolof? Some of you don't fucking even have a wave. I'm gonna fucking wave. You don't even have a wave account. People went and hustled. The same bullshit you guys you did to Jack Oil. Hey, Jack Oil, you boycott. We boycott Jack Oil. You want to boycott? Be like Jack Oil Barkata Katambalti. Jack Oil Barkata Katambi and the lawyer Usenu Dabuti. Jack Oil, William Barkata Katambi lawyer Usen Dabuti. And I come and Fatu camera, Fatu network. Now, Bullock, I'm not doing it. I took it. Boycott track. You want to boycott track. But I like you better. I could Momo boycott. I don't come back and do it. I told you that Momo boycott. I don't come back and do it. Wave is paying their staff more than affliction. If you don't believe me, ask somebody who is working at Wave. Wave is paying their staffs more than what banks are paying their cashiers. I know people who work in Wave from the Babaya. That level Wave. Birum couldn't go ni Wave la do gula na diamond. One siblings, you know what do call a Wave, you know what do call as a bank accountant, cashier bank. And you have a do call a Wave, if I want to do, go to Wave like a more joke. I won't get Wave number Fania. I just do Wave is paying their staff very good salary and an more than bank do kula. Na boy do bija ana ala sister hana do kala bank ata do kala Wave ate ikatele jo siata ate la do ko fana less stressed than even bank la kasia al mon jini ka mon ni manki lima na taka Wave je ala bosni santo yedde santo tabulu balle ke si rambal pour mo ye laaje do kunan ke la ni ma freeling Wave the man ko ke Gambia do kula barari alta ko al do kula ngam mo be headquarters ala fa baba jaji na fa an command an anima fa nyaf ndita la fo Wave no Wave je but I want to empower. Let's bring the best out of each other. That is the best. Let's bring the best part of each other. Buddy, Well, if you send the Mongol Bijam Banyo Tinyala, Lumoli Bamula Kari, you never carry, it did not make no fucking sense. You know, I know some of you Fox, UDP Fox, tomorrow, some of you will go and attack me, but let me tell you, before tomorrow you go sit on Facebook, huh? You gossiping about me, make sure you dress well. Don't run for the bomb for me. Some of you Facebookers, some of you UDP so-called TikTokers, before you go tomorrow and insult me, please make sure you dress well. Make sure you dress well, because some of you can body, hey, Almume, Adubele. That's why I say this, and I'm always proud of saying this. Nobody, you will not see anybody in the Gambia who will once make a video and insult me that I offend them. No, it's only UDP folks. Go and check all the videos. All the videos about me is all UDP. Everything, a video you see about me is all UDP. Just because of what I said about their political so-called party leader. My former house nigger. My former house nigger, lawyer Dabo is my nigger. Me is my nigger. Ndele kala salaro Usain Dabo kila cabinet ko. Lawyer Dabo is my nigger. Ndele nga fa na ko yata momo yem block na ha na diate nya da keten. Ha nga jele ko ye emoji leke ko ko Amad Kande. Ye emo fa Amad Kante number you put a emoji ni kan fa bu konti ni fali ye bu France ndebe ya. Uno sun ko bamba ndile ba. Follow ye bu France. Ndebe ba jabi jam uno sun ko bamba ndile ba. Hey, let me tell you, if I don't like your content, I will block you. If I don't like your content, I will block you. And I don't have nothing to regret by blocking you. Ndaba wajan telamaf. Alwa fatanyola. Nini moma keno fatama. Nadia de sama fana. Alna noma alien nem fajan ni sinidin tali dankula. Dumalen fale umalen sa. Kulen topas hala fale ut. Fale umalen. Pade mola banda banko fanan kan banga mbatu sang nkanga las bodo tandal jannin Canada because yaja wef nyinef wef ko ilafta mo la momu ya lonko aga English kara anin surwa aliaje wef nyinef ko di yaja ni non problème o kamana sa wef nyinef yo Facebook alfa na yaje wef nyinef e ko ilafta mo la momu ya lonko ay surwa no anin English bari say itol ko munana wave sign ako surwa wala itol problem ot mbadi why English ni almo why English ni almo kam fa wala anam kam fa English la de bala kam fa ta munella surwa ko ke jamal nga to nya fune bala limba nga post do tandala mu yalon ko QTV wala post tandala ngo tandala jam alimbato QTV la post fele QTV ko ba mo ngini ka momu yalon ko amari ba English to fala anim man ka kaw bari mo man complain de anyi ndo jube kam jam ko anyi ndo jube gando ko anyi ndo jube QTV ni naf mo man complain de anyi jube rek mbadi mun ale jamal je complain mun jolal complain dal ma jona man complain jande man jako man complain jande mun kata ha yaje mo complain ngal ma post la duma din kanga comme no do jube ngamra bari ban ngamari ban nen kan ba nga fa sa fa dai boje bari ni mbote wala to nyafu nyoy mbading you know al kana sijaha I love Gambia wave will wave say that huh you know I don't nyafu nyoy hey mo hey okay mba komeno dole taket kam bar ngamira mar do bara marinten let me mind my business because I don't want to get blocked. How want it? Ndara jangte albala my business man bar wandi ponjiko nan pare asta woni pejo. If you don't like leave Dabo, we will not open the strategy homes. Another idea, another Ngo bagan ala fa irande al khom ci soro ndaman ki ngo te sala ban tabula ala soro na haji tike ndum gra gas te soro do malik man duma dem ci gas te soro ni ro mo ñu tax ci gas na de ala khom soro afa irande ndoko ya soro wala de dina de ngo maykan ngo kan nga na lo ya dama attaque ba ke ba jël irande ya soro ni mo le daw bula ala sura hey nigga I drive 10 Tesla. I drive a Tesla. I don't drive, come on, I don't go to gas station, nigga. Don't go to gas station, no. Don't go to gas station. Man, don't go to gas station. Tesla like that one. Electric, full electric, no like that one. That was the gas station. Now, that gas Wave is paying more than banks. Exactly, Omar. That's what I just said. Wave is paying more than banks. Wave is paying more than banks. So, bad, new company, I'm going to alleviate bad. I'm going to more investor than invite na yun sipa katana. Jang give me then no inyaka mo ba for 5 years mo ko dum tambudo. 5 years mo because that everything is digital. Some of them kodolti. E ka jodi card lena oil telephone everywhere it at. Jang mo ba for ni mo ko jang. I don't have money. I don't carry money with me. Lala because everybody have wallet. Mo be jang ikam mo jël credit card 10 mo kilo ngababul. Different cards le katarabo. So the mo ko be den card lela. So sign do dunia bu upgrade kanne so wala na wef nada pour ka jolal ma ko jolal fa di upgrade jolal ni dunia tara standard kile daje so wala na wef nada pour ka jolal ma ko atol bi dal sa al lafta ka jola an kanga jolal take anyane ka ko ha wef ba ñene al modu da handi ken faale woodland fi ken defu dara fi we need to stop travel and focus on better things. That's the only thing, Faidiram. That's the only thing that can help all of us. That's the only thing that can help all of us. You know? But why this? The person who bring wave in the Gambia, she's a Syrian. She's a Syrian. And I don't see the Syrian people complaining that wave. Me, I'm a Syrian. I cannot speak Syrian. You don't have a Syrian who can a Syrian translator. I don't ever see Syrian complaining. Huh? Then my jola you complain. Huh? So I don't complain. Don't complain no one. Don't complain no one. I think you complain that we have to table the yebu price. It can't have we have boycott. I love boycott. We have the bamboo. It can't find the boycott from Yala people. Why do I'm do boycott? News in day I'm getting Amudbali Niti fee. You then you don't need we have Fulande, we have wreck. I think but from guy nearly tap to pay my tapal then. Then be the musical pili and Yalfana Yomay. Tap to pay, and tap to pay. And we've action tap to pay. We've money alone tap to pay. The Amsach Harlem, my Indian tap to pay. We have a musical fair, then I tap the fay. Tap the fay, wow. We have a musical fair. Play on. We have tap on your fay. Tap on fay. Tap len. Ku am bu la ñu ray tapal pharmacie ay wallahi munuma tok way no had feeling it no charges ay look at me exactly boy ni dara marché do allez so de marché da nga scan so de marché da nga scan saku mbalo da nga scan mané ku ci mer ya bokku de ñun ak wef la de ku ci bokku nak ya mané fi ku fi mer bokku lo asa ana wef kay len nañ dem scan nga fay scan dem fay de one Gambia one people no tribalism fee what is sweet than this, Maddie?
si gëna gaaw waxuma ñënd ak njaay bi ni mu ko yombalee dëggantaan ku yaa ko wéef def ko muy sa fayekaay weti bi du la sonal tayit free la amul caag resto da ngay star maquette da ngay star free la amul caag laaj ko lu muy jar mu wax la lu muy jar nga ne ko damay star boo amul wéef kon wutil wéef
wuti ko amul wéef wuti ko wuti ko wuti ko billah wala wéef mbaɗi wéef bet yata kawtunde sérigne fay sanne cagandimol jandi kane ka fole wéefiye ɗum ko faala moɗo sanne cagandimol fa jandi ne cagandimol kane ka fa daga bëgg mo ñëw loolu du dara kam wéef la seen folo mbaɗi sa hani cagandimol sa muñe gambie be wéef le ketteribul ni na daja fay bagage nga bo do problème e téléphone o bonne wéef tan dina e joroke yaɗo ko ni man joroke bu kaɗo wat hani ñin cagandimol kam bu je sere japatolo le talibol no sele gambie cagandimol i déjà wéef le dibul da nga wéef nga fay imam da nga tap nga kata ku tapu do se kata da nga tap fo nga tap rek wéef say yaay day den dam ba wéef ndé baba jaada hadde kasa ni cagandimol be ke wéef la ni cagandimol pour dina hey mbato ma la ngol de ngal so be bin say tan na bi da gambie al wéef download de download na janda kata gambie gambie no digital de al wéef download da nali kata wa download le wéef bi bala ngena dem ma ci rin ca patole ma ja amé wéef di hay légui imbécile suma doomi haram yi bala ñew légui fokk ma wéef rek da nga dugal advance loolu lañ ma dee wax ma ñu ne loolu problème parce que ci rin ca patole yu dang dé bisi da nga dugal advance bi da nga dugal sometimes ma dugal advance pour gaay su dugal advance du ñew ika advance le dunti ja momo kam faté dati ji momo kam faté ja dati ja ndol la ja ndol ba ambiance la rek nga ñew mu tax ka ñew samba ñaatu rek ka gambé samba ñaatu rek ha ba nal du so butu keso ba funkanda ñi ndam madna ala de ta gambé di lalla katum gambé kado ala ya do ko alba kam farine billah walde telle wannan ka hada ma dum ñende ka hakilo tu bakke yakuma kam mo moy modoto hada ma dum ñende ka hakilo nim mo da ko kari ten kari hakilo do mari to mo na ka fo ko ha kari ten kana so moy sondo bi so kamala ini motem mom ka fe kari de we mun ke ale mun long wo mari do e wala min ala nato na ko te kari nyinne billahi be bulu la le ko wala iko kuma ala hakilo tu ni nada ka fa iko ali bang kunun kudu non bata nan gambia kairo ta banku ka bana gambia kairo le ba gambia kunun non bana gambia 2 months ngamera for 3 weeks mo ke gambia ntata be din December mbije fo sunkaro la tende si jangolo setana fiemi de every boy peace boy there's no place like boy I love that country with all my heart badi modol bije passo table ba sirin tuba bu do pass table iba mon tulo sokile ja amuñu ben pass di wax ne waaw am ngeen lalla sorry alen so demanding mo la ban nenkande ngamere greetings from brother keep it up thank you bakunda people always do that today not the jallos jallo yi mom buguma defante de mom buguma defante jallo mom buguma defante yeen defante gëdu buga mom buguma defante mbadi yaajele gambia bi yesabe sta mun tata gambia billah wala mbadi itena mare murun tana ke mire makko do sutta nyaat le ngumuru baxto gambia ata investment billahi wala tallahi yesabe sta bi mu yalla biya kaka gambia amari ke mire munella makko do sutta nyaat pour na murun am gon baxto gambia go de invest sama sta be ke mire wonna mo tata bi gambia ni bi jang altole budde ka faale ko gambia mon koy ala hakilo to gambia to gambe ni muna atole abasinda to babu do faje ko da faje ko da but there's no place like home is where the heart is smiling e kam mo do ja amuñu pass waaye yette jallo ñu ngi America fi amuñu pass jallo amu leen pass so leen fi toge bu leen dem Gambia orul ñun yette baay ñun dañoo dem de Gambia orul yeen teggu leen fi rek ñun yette baay ñun ñu ngi dem de yette jallo yéen a fi dee toog bu leen dem Gambia semestre yi kay semestre bu leen dem Gambia orul waaye ñun ñu ngi dem. There is one thing that some of these Gambians want you guys to believe, that you don't have to go to Gambia now because amuñu pass. ñu amul pass ñu toog fii ñoo de wa Gambia oru Gambia di amuñu pass so amuñu pass naka ngay demee Gambia amuñu pass lañ amut toog fi waaw Gambia oru Gambia léegi seeful Gambia dañu do man yow foo dëkk xanaa foo dafa seef fan moo seef tey man fan moo seef nañu waxante dëgg te yàlla tax my friend baa leen nit yi dem te dangaa gis tey semestre te su ñoo dem ay doomi xaraam yi seen sogol TikTok si dem waaw ñun TikTok si waaw nañu waxante dëgg rek Gambia semestre yaa ngi ñëw de ngeen bàyyi seen xel de semestre hey lu gën a neex nga toog sa ngor sa xeeti yaay you getting the smell of your mother you are sitting next to your mother you are hearing the voice of your mother you can hear the voice of your father. What is more blessed than that? What is more blessed that you are sitting next to your family? Your brother is talking. You can get their smell. You can feel them. Your parents are around you. What is blessed more than that? But some of these bastards, they don't have no fucking money to buy a ticket. And they are saying, Gambia is not safe. Don't go to Gambia, They don't have a ticket. You pass. Pass like amuk. Every 5 years, they go to Gambia. Condemn them. Usually small money you have, go and enjoy that money. Don't wait up to 60 years there. If you have 60 years, what the fuck are you going to enjoy? Tell me. 60 years, what the fuck are you going to enjoy at the age of 60? Some of you, these bastards, they want you motherfuckers to believe you have to have 60 years for you to enjoy. At the age of 60 years. I'm going to keep about 60 years, need pension. You wait until you pension. Why don't keep about enjoying the small money you have? You see me? That is what I'm doing. The small money I have, that is what I am enjoying. The small money, I'm going to pass. I have a pass. I'm not pass. Yesterday, I will buy you business class. Malakawa. I will send you business class. Get them talk. Si kind of pillion, man, pilot me. You need to buy you for talk. I leave you better. It was sharing internet to pass up Amuniko. Pass up Amuniko. Every 5 years, we let them Gambia. They have to save. Every 5 years you save, they go to Gambia. What told you to Kanaka Fatuli had Gambia, Monko, Gambia, Muna Fenna be dual Konama. And no you nick at Gambia, plain of Joko, Macarasi, Kono, second on Pillen, Valley. For yet a Jalo, you talk, for you talk, second hour. Second on Pillen, they talk. Don't let this business class smoke. Do you do business class? Hey, the Mandum Bibuli, Ikawunda, use Ale Carrot, Bading, Ale Barco Kaji. Mandia ita Gambia ye ba ma jimbading iba sili ba ma dale be ba mama ita be tofola ibe fama jël boy ba family jël ak stesso be la floss ba ñinte tata Gambia stesso be la ka floss badi ne stesso be la ka yema mo ne diati ñinti badi mo ne diati ñinti ba ñu sokul TikTok dal bu ñal fente jolo ko de ba sirin Allah tuba bu da fente jolo ko no ka fa mo le ko baba wave us even $10 Baji Baset, me wulema Taylor the name ba mbene na jola kan la ka rumpuni yo ka perte ka fonde ka rumpuni de inje le ko aw fulan do yab inje nonsense ay dañan tak ngema alatent ndolo fulol tada nga molie weftanga kambale na ima alatent e ka fa ñoko ni nga ngeri yeto ñala fa nga ala ni ndolo fulol ala wefulon de nga basu wodo sa jola sa murtitan ngame ko sa to jola daka da ni sikando fa lo wulo ko ni sa analo dala analo chayal ibo sa wefle katal mu hanu wulo ko mo kana rek ale mo la ni so dal ya be kili wa ale mo la ni so be kili suja Baji Baset man na sonko la bon na ja mbe bulo kala sa de ndan nonsense ni na TikTok ko le diam na TikTok ko ngadi ama tolle mo kan so moye convince ko ha mbadi ko gambe gambe ko robiye mbadi yaajal ale gambe bule nyami kuno ani gambe bi man kelende semester ta gambe nana ta mbadi kuma kendo re ko le moy boy al kana ga tubab kun sukuri moytu mun yala ka tara news don le jubel UDP news don al ka wala jube kere fatu e ka jele je wala UDP le news te UDP news le ko da mali jube kere fatu buga fem fintine mu yala be tade bankol development ko fem fumi hani fem bankol pro a jube yemira as a news outlet e ka te ka sa fe ko ha mo le fata protest dula e nyine kede bade as a news outlet e ka fo verify de Enyanda kalon dani ba safela katu imu news outlet let mbadi. You have to verify. Dani boy. But the Gambia a news outlet yena ya mo ko ya safela mo frère fa protest bula. Where are the evidence? Can you do wala ke protest mo kila ya kala ma mbadi. Ala to ja finyoyi. It's not acceptable. Nonsense people. We have management are stupid people. Hate or love Mandinka is the leading speaking language in the Gambia. Yaman. Nindoko wave management are stupid people. Wave or love Gambia. Hate or love Mandinka is the largest speaking language in the Gambia. Just because you come here, you go wave stupid. And you made it. Fake Facebook, there's no picture in it. There's no picture. Fake Facebook on it. Safin another job away from Konina. Koha will ye Mandingo head of Negam. Fake Facebook or what. So because it's a fake Facebook and it's because of the platform now, feel man like mafia they put them, they block like because your Facebook is fake. And name from you James Smith, I will like it. James like so we are telling Gambian no longer dim kurumolo, Gambian dim kurumolo nyinte mu yago ko ika confusion ta kamana moltema. Because of that reason I'm going to block you. And today is going to be my last day. Puru yente jeja. Tomorrow bit on TikTok let me just block you and move on. Look at that allez, James le. James fele, jam press, block button press, ya block. You move on. You see how sweet is this? This is what I do. I block them. I don't have nothing to lose. I have nothing to lose by blocking them. This is what I do. Some people, they will go and then you fake Facebook or you can wala. But in real Facebook, pronounce with 10 without a stop. No fuller can do that. Okay. Pronounced wave 10 times. No fuller can do that. Here you come. Try the Jola. We have a EO. Okay. Sambat. Ninjola ron yama fenkola. Challenge la ako full tafala no wave 10 times. Muna diata wati? Sanga kumase wave. And you be somebody la fana gen. Wave. After sanga. Ni bilda wolete nima we be solma kuntuna. Nima we wola koringo na we for kinye na sasa. No wote be wola ba taila sanza nima wave. Na we for kinye na sasa. Diba kenna say that ninja jola do tema ako fulo buga fulo wave 10 times the fellas now 20 times baji basen boje ba la nun konte kabone jede mbadu atondi kormo ile songo nana na wave namba wulu budo kese yaji la tata sa ye mantale majo kotenki mbaje ko tingo kaje wulu buti kesenke baba ye we ndi jama fenki nyana nda hakudule. Okay, sanga mere sainde wato tije sai ngata da samu tangada da you are not serious. Cheboy Jano, please. Cheboy Jano, I know you know my wave number. Send it to this Jola guy. Let him forward it to me. Please. Jabamo. Gambia is an ex-country builder wala fele. Yo, alhamdulillah jabamo jel. Kunu no jabamo bota Gambia na fa bente Gambia fele. Afele. Gunjuru ko fa la boya fele kunu na bota Gambia ajibe. Gambia is an ex-country mbade. Ko la fa moli ye mbade ajibe de. Wana kan ko mom la bota Gambia kuno alin ga. This boy he live in Swiss, but you see? Boy, kunu nyimbata na Gambia. Ali mon nyini ga rek. Bare albi ya tole buti ba ko tele Gambia man koy Gambia man kede Gambia mbade. But mune diata boy tan sirim boy mbad boy mala yakati ya. Rek talaga ko fam. Dina won talaga ko fam. De baba ja. Ay talaga ko fam way. Henda ni data mala jala deka mala yakale fo ba nay na henda. Ngam mala yakale fo poto duoto. Hey, para mo lo de. Ngam mala ya mba paketo le expect kam. Bidu mala fo na paketo le na da science and temba because nga company la moto le yinde. Boy, there's no place like home badding. Malo ko fele. nga jaba mbaari fele kunu na bat na Gambia a jalo Gambia ko nyami al jaba ngini karek wadi Gambia di jata wadi la ilaha illallah nde ka bi te mo le pam ni mu malamoti hey ya jelo kodo aka jutune yale o lok yela duma do muso ta ya enjoy mbadin mala yaka jutune yale o lok mo mun yale jutute la billahi wal hey mun won paso so to mun yale mo dahandi wani paso talibul wayi way ni paso talibul al mo dahandi wayi yunusa fanya ni mo ye ture kana man di more afanya ni mo ni paso tebul ye mo dahandi bang badin ni paso talibul mun ala fa ko sutura paso talibul wayi ndo ka tale de ndo ka tale nko I'm in Marysville for 1 hour. Bring me some food. Daniel Jabi Gasama. Mba wulenke. Itaman ta yokodo ta yakenyere ma wave I have with you. I was with you in the Gambia. Dembo kamar yajan. Ndo fana he was with me in the Gambia. Muna gina diata nyene. Dem Gambia. Nga dem uti ñew. Ha? Bo ini la tere nga and ak sa teral. Dem uti ñew ite come on man. Lu gina neex li nga indi sa teranga. Ay doomi xaram yi topp di wax ne bu leen dem Gambia or dem ay doomi xaram ngeen almaso na la jiw ñaar sindi paso talibulu da so da momo bulal si alimenta Gambia di si ya wure paso talibulu alman paso soto wure alimenta Gambia wure paso tabda ka fu mo Gambia mo ko wure ima alimenta Gambia ntol dun tapile no koron tata Gambia ngaje te fo poto juoto paso talibul alwuri tu regala man de morunko tell them the prayer I have money or document to visit their parents sweet than sitting with your family in Europe wallahi billahi wala momo ita mu yale batu babu de man kayto sur alma ali so kayto kila bana na ko mo ko mun yale lafta kadal man kayto sur mba ala talla man su dada from the bottom of my heart alama alaye kayto ta aya sona aya so nyande kila bana ko ibaje next time fana nale ben Gambia so lu boy mbe sol ba ko tulande ite bande mande de falela e mu jola donde e nyum kumo bu ko dingo e ba mulu njaw yaari ne ka rumpuni ka fondi ka bekuli ka dinkurun ka NDC ka buladi ful be ne na jola ka mbada na jam ite saw kay bi gen kontantale bi na Facebook ko na bi mba sum renne ngal bula fo lundo and I hope nañu video it can help. I was in the Gambia last month. Gambia is nice. Ye funny. Jola ba ticket of parliament to program Gambia. Ye funny. Jola kata Gambia around June, July day. Malan kendolu. Malan ba futuru maro MB. Mam malan MB silo le fode. Jola malan wala alkata around April June, July. September kata ngota sunobija. Sorry. Ngota ndo ba somo holiday kon. Kan dol fulon dol kana wati jamale fulon kata December ngata January ngata February hando handi ka danga sepile no le nyaat bara dol jolal wa xam la ticket pile no jida pile ticket no jida bare kana no ko sa pile no sa ticket no be la fa ñina jola jamal ba channa jand ñina bila jola jamal tanna jand because of because ñi isa so pile no be de be da ne ante la monto jota alba mela jand ñina tay alba baba jangela jokkol ko no protéger alba wala jubel fax UDP malawon UDP alda ba siana lu UDP malawon jam kadin police ko makane ko de bon tole ñi nebo futo ko ne jam police track de ngaji be problem wo rek ko da mal jibe. Thank you my brother, I love you what you are doing, keep it up. Ami also thank you so much my sister, I really appreciate you. Bajata Baba, you making Bantaba laugh. Alhaji Muhammad friend Dembo muna Dembo le famu nyindo Dembo mbala ko yalla mel na talo le soudi nga ko na malo fa nit ñi naka hangout ndeysam nit ñi naka hangout nu Gambia la ilaha illallah Dembo mais yalla Dembo ni talo le fani ambulance le police lo ko ndal la jam mu na jam batane kaño bun ki dole ko mu ki do bu na bu na jabe wa ni la ilaha illallah ajube na mo ken do Dembo na be Gambia billahi wallahi tan kali ala nabilo ni nga do mo ro ken na basira tel kajo Dembo fele sirin nga kamara yille wana kale tabulo wana nkali man talibi vrai la am billahi suma digante yalla ak alquran dem bo mu ngi tok abuta Angleterre na benta abuta jaxalter amamba Angleterre abuta jaxalter le mbuta America na benta Gambia akoy na serigne na ba sida ajibe suto na tar kasi kacha ni na sida wato wada han dum raka ba serigne bi dita jola la bam fa kam malle andu fana amanke ko masuto alu ko ngasoto le ba yagele is very important pour hadama dum mo ko no fan barajo man tambi ini mo billahi wala domoro ye hemoda ya domoro ndi mbadi barajo man tambi won barajo man tambi mota yagila amanke ko pour ka fuko ha ni ya soto le mbadu nkana ka nyindi ya ake ala drone be jot thank you Dembo, I'm really proud of you mbadi you know no nyari me balasa because yalla ilo ne talo yamu ke jani sign dama killing baraji ben na benta domoro sanya do ko no fadan sita kachata watini wada naga hang out all the time body ngana you know sometimes ngo mbuka domoro ji coffee ka wala mi na dara siri nya bagam de ko kachala wana ka fa ka body there's no place like home munu ka fa gambe ni ni passo te bulo fatele la amuñu pass ay jola kesse la amuñu pass fi la ñoo tak wa legi disi ya fana altitano jum julade pilen praso america ya bien la fa la zo fali ngala kete united de preso ye bago la fa pleno la fa atondi blue jet anin united wol fa be ya la fa la say plen company be ñina jola la doltira ñina dal ba ko ko din tereto diata I will pay your drink so le boy mfata ne wulu budu kese e basiatu jang fo ba New York tene man te fi wulu budu kese ka fo ñako lu you go do Wave for life. Thank you very much, Abubakar. Wave for life. Ñun ay groupe wave lañ. Ñun ñoo nekk ay groupe wave. Ñun yëpp am wave. Wave for life. Ñun ñoo nekk groupe wave. Mobile de ala baraka back and katala follow. Thank you each and every one of you. Facebook ala baraka back. Help your Jola to get a ticket. Yo tonya la phone. Jola le de. Ya jale I have a pass, Mr. Ba. Jalo, get the hell out of here, why? Yen at Jola. Yara neka same category. Hanga yen jalo. You guys are giving fullest bat name. You guys are the one that are saying get to go follow that one now week. You jalos. But you will never see a yeteba who will say get to go follow that one now week. It's only you jalos. Why yeteba? Mene get to go follow that one now week. Mene me watado ko ono yete jalo jidi. Jalo yi. Yena dewa get to go follow that one now week. Yen ak jolai. Why you Paul do sacha. Paul du saja wa Paul yi jalo yana de saja. Thank you each and everyone. Have a wonderful day. Bye nkatan alta asa dem le doy na legi ma ngi dem